Hi guys! Look what I got today! A Naruto mystery box! There are 7 chapters inside in this collection. Naruto, Sasuke, Sakura, Kakashi, Gaara, Hinata and one secret chapter. I really hope I will get Naruto or Sakura, because Naruto is my favorite of course, and Sakura is just super cute. She is totally first my style. She would look perfect with all my bag and all my outfits. Alright, let's open it. Please get me Sakura or Naruto. Oh my god, look at this one. It's so adorable. So cute. I love it so much.
This figure feels really nice to touch. It looks so cute and has great details. Sakura is really beautiful. There is also a little ring so you can hang it on your jeans or on your bag. And it comes with a collection card too.
I'm definitely going to wear it all the time. It's just too cute. Tell me in the comment which Naruto character would you like to get. And I will be super happy if you leave a like and a comment. It really means a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe my video channel so you won't to miss my next video. I hope I can post more often. See you soon. Bye!